Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm the CEO of the Major League Extruders.
The two main things we prioritized when creating our design were that we wanted to make it as cost-effective as possible while also keeping the filament diameter as precise as possible. Another thing that's unique about our design, which I really like, is that the user is able to see everything super easily. The interior is really aesthetically pleasing, and it's cool to watch the entire process through the clear plexiglass.
Affordable, consistent filament is a challenge for 3D printing users dealing with PLA waste and rising costs. Our extruder converts PLA pellets into recycled filament, and our target audience, hobbyists and print labs, need a practical, sustainable solution.
Here's our final CAD 3D model. Our product includes the extruder, an automated spool winder, and a filament diameter sensor.
Seen here is a partial demonstration of the extruder working. The extruder was heated to the appropriate temperature and was able to extrude filament at a consistent flow.
Our team of 8 mechanical and aerospace engineering students has proven experience in CAD, system design, manufacturing, and testing, making us fully capable of delivering this product.
Our product allows users to recycle PLA waste into affordable, high-quality filament, which supports more sustainable and independent 3D printing. Thank you for watching.